So we've got something here that we can look at, test this lighting system out. I got a little tripod to stick the mic on. You can tell I'm a little paranoid about it now. I had to pretty much lose a lot of video because of it. So let me get this unboxed and we'll talk about what it is. So what we have here is a Pin Shaker brand shaker motor kit. I actually picked this up from TPF. It's probably been almost 2 years now. It's 26. Yeah, it was 2 years ago. I just haven't been able to have a need to use it yet. Most customers that have shaker motors, they get shaker motors installed before they even get the game. Most customers that don't have shaker motors don't care to pay for the upgrade, and all the machines that I've got minus Gamatron already have shaker motors, and I'm not going to put a shaker motor on Gamatron. That's not the direction that I want to take that pin. You always want to keep a little bit of something in stock, especially when you're doing shop jobs, repairs, on-site repairs. If a customer needs an upgrade or they want an upgrade, you get the sale a lot faster if you don't have to wait on shipping, right? So this here is Pin Shaker Universal Shaker Motor. It's good for WPC, WPC 95. It's basically plug and play for all the WPC and WPC 95 games. They're all screen printed on here. It's a really nice quality kit. Pre-connectors already installed. There's nothing that you really have to do. It's really a plug and play system. There is really nice weights. Without taking it apart, it looks similar to the shaker motors that I have in stock, maybe a little bit bigger. I don't know. It's 2 wires. You just need to know the voltage, and you can kind of put whatever you need in there. It doesn't tell you what the voltage is on this. It just says shaker motor, but it would be hard to figure out. Put a digital multimeter on it, you can figure it out, right? So it comes with some of this other stuff. This is WPC-A. Oh, it tells you what connector to put it in. That's really nice. So like this will be WPC-B J127 and WPC-95B J113. And this is A125 and WPC-95 is J112. Really nice plug and play. I actually have something written on here. Power driver board adapter. So you get some driver board adapters. Like I said, it's plug and play. Because these are going to plug straight into these Ethernet ports. So they're not called Ethernet ports here, they're J45 ports or something like that. These go into the headers. That is a PC. There's a spot on there for it. Yeah, right here. It's AC in. So this is how you get the AC in. This has written on it motorboard J6, J4, J6. So this is what actually goes to the shaker motor. You get power out with a ground. That'll plug into the shaker motor. This will plug into, it'll plug into the board that's on the inside of the cabinet to give you AC. So, I mean, I didn't even pull the instruction manual out, and you'd know how to put this in. Yeah, you got to find somewhere to mount this. The instruction manual may already tell you somewhere to mount it. It may be simply that easy. It'd be something you just inline connected with. So for me, looking at the components here, everything is much cleaner on the view. I'll know post when I'm editing this how it looks for you. I'll put it in either way. So key light bridge, we're just going to call it a light bridge now that we got 2 key lights. This will be basically used when I want to focus on what we're doing here. It helps with not as much shadow. So anywhere I'm doing some board work, especially if I'm soldering, right? I'm going to have a lot less shadow that I have to work around or deal with. It's even got a speed adjustment. You can really shake some house. Inline fuse, easily changed bridge rectifier. This is going to be your power converter, more like a buck converter really, maybe a step down, because you're going to get 120 in, 20 volt AC and 50 volt AC output. So you're going to get 50 volts out, looks like. Really nice kit. I picked it up at the show. You've already seen in some of the power supply video, I've already got stock of Williams Earthshaker motors. You can use those in a lot of other Williams games and Stern. I think Harley Davidson was the same one. But it's really just power, and if you put the weights on it, it'll shake. That's kind of how they work. Really cool 3D print that you can do yourself if you have a 3D printer. LED lights are pretty cheap. It was 14 bucks. Even with tariffs, they're really nice and clean and crisp. I like that. It's a much better outcome. And we got to see a little bit pinball related, even though the content of the video wasn't completely pinball related. And I'll see in post how this looks, and I can, because I moved it back and forward the other time, we'll get a good idea how we can use this. That wraps up this project on Behind the Coil. Speaking of coil, we did use a coil of LED strips. There's coils and everything, right? And it's still corny. Thanks for joining me. I'm really excited for the future of what we got coming to the bench. Stick with us. Let's see what all we can get into, and I'll see you next time.